Here's how to replace the wipers on a Jeep Wrangler. This is a 94 model. So the wiper's just held on by a little pin. It's got these little short wipers. There's a link in the description to where you can get them. Kind of an odd size, I think 11 inches. So it just pulls out. And there's a little pin here that holds the wiper on. So if you're not ready to put the wiper on yet, you put something to pad the windshield so you don't scratch it up. There's a link in the description where you can get a wiper blade, and there are a number of different options. On this particular Jeep, it's got a little pin that comes out of the wiper arm, and then this is the fitting that fits with that, so the pin just gets pinched by that. Then the new wiper is going to go on like this. So we put the pin through the hole, and then it has this clip, and we just snap that on, and then it is secure, and we are wiping. Just do the same thing on that side and you're ready to roll.